Welcome back, everybody. This is Hutch from Hutch High Perf. It is burning hot. And yeah, there's no AC out here in the garage. And it's just too hot to work right now. So I'll be back on it, I promise. But I wanted to at least come on here real quick and just show you the power of, I don't know, craftsmanship, ingenuity, luck. I don't know what you want to call it. It's GBody forum. If you haven't been there and you have a GBody, I don't know what you're doing, but that is the best forum I've ever been on. Everybody's respectful. I mean, you've been to some of these forums and they like almost pride themselves in like burning people. It's ridiculous. I don't see the point in it. This is just a really good place to go. Friendly people, knowledgeable, and the skill set of some of these guys are just ridiculous. So anyway, I'm on GBody forum, and I saw this one thread, and it was somebody asking, "Hey, who does 3D printed parts? Anybody out there?" And this one guy, Sharky, just posted below. He's like, "I think I know a guy," kind of tongue in cheek. And then he said, "Hey, I'm down to one 3D printer, but I'm getting another one. I'll be back up and running soon." And then he posted a couple of pictures of stuff that he's done. And you'll see some pics right here. So they were a pair of GBody door jamb vents. And one, I think, had a Chevy logo on it, the bow tie. And the other one had SS because he's got a Monty SS. It's a beautiful car. So I posted down in the comments, there's a link for his eBay page, for his YouTube channel where he shows a lot of videos of his white Monty SS, beautiful car, and his website, which is blackout3d.com. So you probably have to message him because it doesn't look like currently he has anything up for sale. But literally, this is how the whole thing went down. So he's on there, and like I said, he said, I might know a guy, and kind of joking around. And then he showed a couple of pictures of the door jamb vents. And then I was just like, well, I'm going to post a comment. So like 2 responses down, I just put a link of what he said. And I was like, beautiful door jamb vents. There needs to be an Oldsmobile logo. And then next thing I know, we're DMing back and forth. We agree on what logo I was looking for. And then he sends me a pic of a demo that he did, a printout for it. And then he said, "Hey, I'm going to do another one that's going to look better, and then I'm going to send them out to you and see what you think." Let me show you. This is the door jamb vent. All right, this is factory door jamb vent. Goes right in that spot. Common, right? This is what he printed out and sent me. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And I thought, you know what, when I get it, if I don't like it, I can probably sand it, paint it, do whatever I want, make it how I like it. I'm not doing anything to this. This thing is gorgeous, right? When the car is done and that's in, come on. That's going to look really cool when you open the door and you see that. That's something. So listen, the only way this got made was I just made a comment. Oh, it needs no logo. And boom, next thing you know, we're having a conversation, and there it is. So really what it comes down to is you got to be on a forum, man. I don't care what it is that you're interested in, whether it's bird watching or model trains or building cars. It doesn't matter what it is. Find a web forum out there, and you're going to find a whole group of people that are just as crazy as you are about this kind of stuff. And that is gorgeous, and I couldn't be more happy. So Sharky, if you're watching this, thank you. That was beautiful work. I think he sold 1 pair on eBay already of this. So yeah, if you're looking for 3D printed parts and nobody makes what you're looking for, you ought to start a conversation with this dude, because literally I think the limitations are going to be your imagination and how big of a printer he has. So yeah, man, go for it. And like I said, can't thank you enough, dude. That is beautiful. I love it. I love it. Anyway, I told him I was going to make this video because I was so happy with what he did, and I'm so grateful that he made it for me. And it's just a thing of beauty, and I love it. So anyway, I'm sweating to death out here. This is too hot. This is like Tarzan couldn't take this kind of hot. You know what movie that was from? Anyway, I'm burning up and I can't take it. So this is it. This is Hutch from Hutch High Perf. I appreciate you guys. Hope you had a good 4th. Hope you had a great weekend. And I will see you soon once this heat wave breaks and I am back on the car. So until then, appreciate you. Have a good one.